Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is Thisistinuola, and for today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys my updated skincare routine. I am so excited to share with you guys what I've been doing during this quarantine period, which is quite different from the usual that I do for my skincare. Just some basic things that I've updated in my routine, and yeah, keep watching. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Thisistinuola. If you're new here, you're welcome. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button down below so you join the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you get updates from me whenever I release a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back again. It's always good to have you guys. First thing you need for your skincare is to clean your face. So if you have makeup on for whatsoever reason, if you're like myself that just wake up in the morning and put on makeup, get your face clean with your makeup remover. This is the makeup remover that I used. I'm going to be linking all the products that I use in the description box below. Once you clean your face, the next thing is to wash it. For my face wash, I've been using this invigorating scrub. So this period has been a special one for me because I've been struggling with both morning and nighttime skincare routine. Of course, this is a period where you have time. Most people are staying at home, most people are not working, some people are working at home, but at least you have time. And staying at home itself helps your skin to brighten a little bit. You need a facial scrub to exfoliate your skin in this period. That will keep your skin more refined. If you guys have seen my previous videos, you must have seen both of these. I'm gonna link them below if you like to get them. This is not a sponsored video, just in case you're wondering. So I'm gonna wash my face. I'm gonna put some water on this brush. Honestly guys, where's the lie? Just tell me why I'm using this right now. Like, I don't have any long hair. Now that my face is washed and cleaned, I'm going to use my toner to go in and just open my pores. This is the toner I'm using. So I'm just going to go in and clean my entire face with the toner. Just going to be gentle with it as much as possible. For this quarantine period, honestly guys, I've not been really dedicated to like a morning and nighttime skincare routine. I've noticed that what I've been doing is I've mostly been doing one skincare routine throughout the day. If I want to do it in the morning, I do it in the morning. If I want to do it at night, I do it at night. Alright guys, so this is where it gets interesting. So once I'm done washing my face using my face toner, the next thing is mask. So to be honest, you need a mask this period. If you want to see that change in your skin, you do need a mask. If it's a repair mask, if it's a charcoal mask, if you have pimple. My skin is the dry facial skin, so I don't really use the charcoal mask. I use it most if I see I'm developing any growth on my face. I use the charcoal mask. It's really good and it smells great. It has peppermint. I don't know about you, but I love peppermint. This is the new face mask that I'm using. I am loving it. It is called Lifting Bow Cellulose Mask, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly what it looks like. This mask is really good, and one thing I like about it is very hydrating. So basically the mask itself, if you guys can see, is between two layers. So what you want to do is to remove the first layer and put the mask on your face. You want to gently remove the outer layer. Make sure it's fitted on your face before you do that. So I'm going to leave it on my face for 20 to 30 minutes. As you guys can see, it is so moisturizing. Like, that is the best thing for anybody with dry skin. The mask will definitely move around a little bit once you're talking, so if that happens, you just slide it back in place. Before I go for my 20 minutes, I'm going to give you guys this extra tip, which I know is very common, but yeah, it is an extra tip. Water. Guys, you need water. So the reason why this one is different for me is because since I'm home most of the days, I get to drink a lot of water. And you guys might undermine water, but it does a lot for your skincare. Like, it goes a long way, guys. It goes a long way. So yeah, that's enough of me talking for now. Let me go lie down with my face mask, because yeah, I want to use this eye flap. Okay, you see that? I'll be right back. So it's past 20 minutes and I'm back. You can leave this in for 20 to 30 minutes. And obviously I didn't go to sleep. Like, I was basically on Instagram and I think I had some water, but yeah, I'm back. So I'm gonna take this off. As you guys can see, it's still very much moisturized. I love it, I love it, I love it. So moving on, guys, I will be using this vitamin C. This is also one of the new things I've been using this period. And the good thing about, you know, doing your skincare, paying attention to your skin in this period, is because you're going to be at home, right? You have all the time you need to pay attention to your skin. This is vitamin C activating square, and I'm gonna show you guys how this thing works. It works like magic. This vitamin C activating square, you can use it with vitamin C serum. Ideally, you should use it with vitamin C serum, because if you just use it alone on your face, it's going to be scaly. Like I said, you can use it with vitamin C serum, but I'm using it with my tone correcting serum. So in this period, you need like some sort of brightening serum or tone correcting serum, just to make sure your face is clearer. You know, if you have hyperpigmentation, like all of what you see on my face, you know, if you have more dark spots on your face, you're trying to clear your face, trying to clear the acne spots, all the dark spots on your face, you definitely need a vitamin C or a tone correcting serum. Put this on your palm, okay, and add 2 to 3 drops of water. It's going to melt completely on your arm, on your palm. Before it dries off, I'm going to mix it with my tone correcting serum. The reason why I do this is because if you apply it directly to your face like that, it's going to get flaky once it's dry. So see what I'm doing? Basically going to mix both of them together, and then I apply on my face. That easy. Definitely you want to use a lip balm. An extra tip is that you need to sleep. Tips to get that glowy skin during this quarantine period is you need to drink a lot of water, you need your beauty sleep, you need to use an exfoliating face scrub to exfoliate your face, you need to use a vitamin C serum or a tone correcting serum to brighten your face and help with the hyperpigmentation, and you need a very good mask. If you have acne, I recommend a charcoal mask. You can use a charcoal mask for your acne. If you have a dry skin like mine, you can use a repair rejuvenating mask, which helps with wrinkles, dry skin. So that's it, guys, for this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was helpful, let me know down in the comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.